Welcome back to Norn's Network. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about website auditing. Now, you may be wondering, what is a website audit? But a website audit is the analysis of a site looking at the factors that determine its visibility using a search engine. So, some of those factors include how effective or accessible it is, how well it performs, evaluating the best practices, the SEO, and others. Luckily, there are websites that will evaluate that for you. Um, and we're going to be going over two of them today. And the website that I'm going to be auditing is the official Penn State Blue Band webpage. So the first one we're going to be going over is Web.dev. Web.dev measures the performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO of a website. As you can see, the Blue Band website has pretty low performance, but pretty great accessibility and medium best practices in SEO. If you scroll down, you can see Web.dev's suggestions on how to improve your web page, and it has multiple categories that it organizes it in. It has impact, category, audit, and guide. And so audit here is what the issue is, impact is how important it is, the category has to do with these categories, and the guide is a link on how to fix these issues. So if you want to look at a specific issue, say I want to look at SEO, I can click on it and it'll give me all of the SEO issues. And I can see here that it says the document does not have a meta description. I don't know what a meta description is, so I can open this link in a new tab, and it tells me what it is, why it might fail, and how to fix the problem. This one right here says links are not crawlable. And when I looked up what that meant, it means that there are some links that might be broken inside of this web page, making it difficult for the search bots to navigate the web page. Because this won't show me exactly where the issues are, I can go to Wave to find these issues. When you go on Wave and you enter the URL for the web page you want to audit, it gives you this summary of issues and things that it wants you to check out. So if you want to go more in depth, you can click View Details. Here I can see that I have an empty link, and when I click on it, it flashes on the web page to show me where it is. And I can see that that might be the issue where this web page has problems with link crawling. When you navigate through this web page, it shows you all the different things that could use improvement or should be looked at. So I have 13 contrast errors. Since I don't know exactly what a contrast error is, I can click on this little eye and it gives me all the information I need to know. Here, it gives me a definition of what it means and why it matters and what I can do to change it. And then if that's a little too complicated for me to understand, it even gives me a more simplified version explaining on what exactly it means. And then it gives alerts for redundant information. Apparently that there's a link that's included twice on this web page that might not necessarily need to be included. Using both of these websites can be a really useful tool for creating and improving a web page and making it more visible to users. Thanks for coming to my video, and I hope to talk to you next week.